Hi friends, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. This is Crafting and Relaxing, and I'm here with Smash That Small Pad. This is a collaboration put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is Beth here on YouTube, and Stampin' Cat Kathy on Instagram does this with us. The links to them are in the description box down below. Check it out if you're new here, and be sure to say hi to them. This month I smashed a collection from Cartabella. I am fairly certain that it is called Fall Break. I have moved a lot of things around and I didn't have the package, but I think it was Fall Break by Cartabella. I have made 21 cards, and I think I have a partial kind of scrappy, I don't know if it's going anywhere. So 21 cards, and I'm calling it because there's a lot going on. I might even make you an updates video because there's so much. I used ephemera from all sorts of things. I used cream bases, white bases. I was using stuff up. And of course, there's something cute on the inside of each, except for that one. Got to set that aside and fix it. I used a brad on this one. Fall is fun, autumn time. It's just cheerful fall greeting. Fall is my favorite, and I've got some ephemera down there. Happiness is long fall drives, and fall is my season. Fall is in the air with a strip of paper across the front. Hello, beautiful, gorgeous fall. I was committed to using my washi tape. My fall washi tape is not holding up well, so get yours out. I love the sticker. I wasn't sure about this color so much, this minty green in the fall collections. It really grew on me making these cards. Fall blessings, and we have a truck from a different collection. Give thanks in all things. I've got a sticker back here on patterned paper, 2 layers of washi, and a piece of chipboard. So this one has some dimensional interest. Hello, beautiful, gorgeous fall. And look at this wild leafy paper. I love it. And then on the inside, I've got a bit of it. I love fall most of all. That's from some other collection. And these pumpkins are from this collection, and I inked the edges. Then we've got washi tape along the bottom. Again, really trying to use up the washi. And I remembered to ink the edges on almost everything. Hello, Autumn. I think this is from Smash Our Stash when we had to use sequins or round things or something. Ephemera from last year from different collections, so I've got a lot of different color tones in here. I love this one. It was a scrap card and weird things I put together, and I really like how it turned out. I think it's the style, the 3/4 inch strips, a pattern, and then something fun across the middle. It's kind of like this, right? Same idea. I like the layout. Welcome Fall, and the chipboard truck down here, and I put it on an oval to kind of ground it and not make it floating lost. Hello Fall, give thanks, and I've got a bunch of cute little stickers lined up here, and I used a bit of the sticker border, and the give thanks I think was from a different ephemera pack. I was just having a great time. Again, mixing and matching. I would pick something and say, I want to use that, and build the card around it sometimes. Fall, and this one, I don't know, I tried. You know, sometimes you try things. Used a scrap of paper that I don't know if I love the color on. I just got a lot going on this one. This one I like. I'm more of a tone on tone, fewer colors person. So using a lot of colors sometimes is too much for me. And that might be what happened to me here. It might just be that I don't like the layout. This one I love. I don't need a lot of color. Fall, this one I just wanted to use those fall stickers and then the wagon fit, and then I've got give thanks washi down here. I did not finish off a single roll of fall washi. I gotta keep trying, I guess. Fall and thankful, I love this one. Hello Fall, okay, I love this one too. Maybe I love a lot of them. Maybe there's just like a few where I'm like, could hit the undo button. This one, Fall Break and Crisp Leaves. I don't love this one. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers, mixed and match a bunch of stuff, and a strange scrap of orange that came into my life. Sweater weather, get outside and play, have a sticker border down here, and then some pumpkins. I think it pops. I probably should have inked the edges of the sticker. Thankful, I think this one's a little crooked, but I like it. It's not my favorite though. But I really like the sticker. I like the thankfuls and the gratefuls and that kind of thing. And when I went through my ephemera, I think I had pillaged those. These two need a little attention. I do have a bunch of brads left and a few pieces of chipboard and some enamel dots. So I might go through and jazz up these cards a little. Like maybe this one could use a couple enamel dots down here or something. And then scraps. These are my scraps, I think, that are left. There's probably more. I lose things. Oh, here they are. So there's a few more scraps, but I'm calling it. It's time. I will put the fall scraps in my fall bin because I'm about to make a whole bunch of gratitude journals. I think probably at least 4 of them. So I'm trying to get the cards out of the way and get moved on. Be sure to check out what Beth and Kathy made for their small pad stash. We do this every month, and every month there's fun stuff. Beth is just an amazing card maker, and she's making those sketch sets if you like them. If you don't know Bourbon Creek Crafts and you like to make cards, you got to get over there and check it out. I have a bunch of videos coming your way. I have checked out a new local store that has wonderful stuff. I made process video for this. It might be days of editing. I don't know. Smash Our Stash is going to be really fun. And I think all of those gratitude journals are going to come out and clear it out on the 12th. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.